Oh my God, what is going on? Oh my God. Come on, Skippy. Come on, Sparky. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Come on, you guys. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. What the heck is going on? Oh my gosh. Tilly G. What? Oh my gosh. Wait. I gotta put this down. Okay. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay. Use this. Be careful. Easy. Easy. How did you get up there? How did you get up there? Oh. Why? I know, Skippy. Oh. Are you okay, big guy? Oh, kisses will make it better. Oh. How? What? Why? Well, never a dull moment around here. Oh. Oh my gosh. Let's make sure he's okay. No major dents or scratches. More than usual. Silly boy. Oh my gosh. Now you guys know. That's why I sing that song. Let's go check on Tilly G. Literally have to check on him. He's okay now, big guy. I mean, sweet boy. Okay, come on, Tilly G. Come on, let's go into another area. Come on. Oh. No, let's not go back there. No. Let's not. Let's go someplace else. Come on, let's go. Come on, big guy. Let's go this way. Oh my goodness. Just when I think I've Tilly G proofed the entire yard, he finds someplace new to go. Oh, no. You don't fit back there. Oh my gosh. Why do you think you fit? Because you once fit when you were a little tiny guy? Okay, I gotta stop recording so I can fix this and make sure he can't get back there again. Oh.